What's up, guys? We're here with my friend Tim, and he's going to teach you how to do a crooked grind.
All right, guys. So crooked grind, K-grind, crook, it's my favorite grind to do. I do it on almost anything that I see. I love it. Once you get them down, you'll love it too. So there's a few tricks I'm going to teach you to help you get into those and how to stay in them and how to come out of them. So with a crook grind, you're using the front truck here, and it's at an angle. Your back trucks are up, and you're grinding on the rail. And this is a backside, right?
Yeah.
So this is a backside crook grind. Using your front truck, you can see where I have the marks because I do them all the time. You're going into it, and then you're popping out of it like a nollie.
How do you pop out of it? That's what I want to know. I just kind of fall out.
So every time, it's really just all front foot. It's just like a nollie. You just kind of put some pressure right when you get to the end. You're just putting a little bit of pressure, and it almost does it for you. You just pop out of it, and you float right out of it and land. It's perfect. All right, so you saw my crook on the down rail. So this is a flat bar, and honestly, when you're starting out, the flat bars are a little harder. The round rails, if you have good wax on both, I would prefer a round rail to do a crook any day of the week. They lock in better, they slide better, they come out easier. Round rail or flat rails, when you get into a flat rail, you have a tendency to, for some reason, I stick a lot on this rail, or I come over top of it. It doesn't lock in as good. So sometimes when I'm sliding, I stick, I come over top, and I end up bailing over the rail this way. And I don't know if you could see it when I was going down, my whole body weight, all of my weight is on this foot here. And my shoulders, my head, everything is over this front foot. And then when I come out, all I do is pop up that front foot, and it's just like a nollie out. So you're just nollieing out, and really it just floats out and you ride away. So for crooks, it's much easier to come out of the crook on a down rail than flat, because when you're coming out of something flat, you really have to, like once you get almost to it, you really have to push that front foot out and let it float out. But when you're on the down rail, really it just does it for you. You kind of push a little bit, but not as much when you're on something flat. So going into riding up to whatever you're gonna do this grind on. So for nose slides, I learned nose slides first. And nose slides, you come into it parallel with whatever you're gonna grind on, and you throw it out in front of you into just an exact 90, and it's kind of in front of you the whole time, right? With crookeds, I come in just a little bit closer and a little bit at an angle, and I go straight to it like that. And I don't throw it out in front of me. I'm always over top of it. You know, I'm all my weight is on that front foot. This is really doing nothing. Sometimes I'll take this front foot off and I'm still sliding. I don't mean to, but it happens.
Just the laughter and the joy. Yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm making a lot of tutorial videos, so if you're interested in that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button. I've also got more reviews, stuff like that coming. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.